Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have your replacement battery ready, specifically designed for your Xiaomi model. First, ensure the robot vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Place it upside down on a flat surface. You will notice several screws securing the battery compartment cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. This is a good opportunity to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can affect performance, so take a moment to wipe away any buildup. Now, locate the battery. It should be easily accessible once the cover is off. Disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector. This may require a little force, but be gentle to avoid damaging any wires. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Plug it in firmly, ensuring a secure connection. It's crucial that the battery is connected properly to avoid any issues later. Next, place the battery cover back on. Align it correctly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Be sure not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the plastic. Now that everything is back in place, flip the vacuum upright. Before you power it on, take a moment to ensure everything looks good and that there are no loose parts. If you are unsure, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once you're ready, turn on the vacuum. Check to see if it powers on and operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer quotes before repair, allowing you to know what to expect in terms of service costs. Finally, make sure to dispose of the old battery responsibly according to your local regulations. If you need assistance with this or any further maintenance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Your Xiaomi Robot vacuum should now be good to go, ready to keep your home clean and tidy. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.